Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today, we are going to discuss a case law in which the former secretary of Delhi High Court Bar Association was convicted and fined rupees 40,000 by the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate of local court in Delhi. Normally, I will be dealing with cases decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of India or the High Courts. But here it is an important case relating to professional ethics. How an advocate should behave. How an advocate should behave towards the women advocates. These are the two important issues. Since he has failed in this aspect, this Rajiv Khosla has been convicted. Right? You can refer this case as Sujata. She is Sujata Kohli, just like our Virat Kohli. Sujata Kohli versus Rajiv Khosla and others, 2021. So the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Gajendra Singh Nagar, he imposed a fine of rupees 40,000 against the accused. Why? Because of assaulting a woman advocate, a fellow woman advocate, and intimidating her. You may be knowing these offences attract section 323, that is voluntarily causing simple hurt, and also intimidation, 506 of the IPC. He was convicted. Of course, punishment is very simple. You may be knowing even 323 only 1 year punishment. Of course, 506 he can get 2 years punishment also. If we go into the incident proper, what happened? It is better for you to appreciate because you are going to be would be advocates and also some of my advocates friends who are seeing this video. In July 1994, when our friend Mr. Rajiv Khosla was the secretary of the Bar Association of Delhi High Court, right? He asked Sujata Kohli to participate in a seminar, to attend a seminar, for which she refused. This is the basic problem. She refused. Then he got infuriated and he said that all her facilities as a Bar Association member would be withdrawn, including the seat. She cannot attend the Bar Association hall. She cannot sit in the chair allotted to her like that. She did not accept. The trouble went on. She went to the local civil judge and asked for an injunction order. And before the judge, actually the judge wanted to inspect the spot. Therefore, before the arrival of the judge, this advocate Rakesh Mehta and about 40 to 50 lawyers came to her, forcibly dragged her out of the chair and removed the table from the Bar Association. And of course, she has reported the matter to the police in August 1994. As usual, police did not take any action. So, aggrieved by the inaction of the police, she filed a private complaint in 1995. Now, the case was taken up under section 323 and 506. Already I told you these case laws. Yesterday, actually about a month back, in the month of October itself, the judge has given a signal that the case against him is proved. And regarding the quantum of sentence, you may be knowing under section 235, regarding the quantum of sentence, a lot of arguments have been done. Even in spite of all these things, Rajesh Khosla, he said he is ready to suffer the 2 years, maximum punishment is 2 years. But he doesn't apologize to her. Normally, the other advocates asked him to apologize to her. Because in this connection, it is pertinent to note that this Sujata Kohli, she is now a retired district and session judge. Fine. Now, yesterday, ultimately, I think on 29th, yes, 29th is 30th November 2021. Even though Rajiv Khosla is willing to undergo the punishment of 2 years, of course, the judge was considerate. He has given 40,000 fine, 20,000 for 323 and 20,000 for 506, and I think 10,000 to be paid to the bar association. Other 30,000 will go to the victim. Of course, the victim, Sujata Kohli, she is not willing to take that money also. So please remember, regarding the what is called in this case, the witnesses, main witnesses, the advocates turned hostile. The judge commented on them like this manner. These are the days. So the court observed, nowadays people are becoming self-centered. So self-centered, everybody wants his own personal things and find it safe to keep mum. They find it safe to keep mum, not to speak anything, even if they see an injustice being done. This is the harsh reality. The court commented like this. Yes, you have to agree. That is the order of the day, or things are happening like this. Even being advocates, when a woman is being thrown out or pulled out from her chair, having witnessed this incident, so many advocates who were cited as witnesses, they turned hostile. They kept mum. They said they did not know anything about the incident. The complainant, who is complainant? Sujata Kohli. She was a lawyer, and actually here the judge also commented. She has given narrated the entire real facts. Had she wanted, she would have stated that she was molested. Finish 354 or 37. Yes, that thing would have. So she has told the truth. So therefore, he has believed the case and imposed, taking into consideration of the old age of Rakesh Mehta, aged about 70 years or so, and since he did not have any previous convictions, so the sentence was converted into only 5. Good judgment. No doubt it is a judgment given by as Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, that means equal to our ADJ Kada in Delhi. So please read the judgment if you find time. And why I have made these videos, to see that being learned friends, being advocates, you should know how to treat a woman advocate, a fellow advocate. No doubt you might have gone so many curses, you have got so much differences between her, but in public your behavior should be tolerant. You should not misbehave. This is what I want to tell through this case. Thank you very much.